Hi folks, it's Rich here with the ML1 Pro Hybrid with the Seymour Duncan Pearly Gates in the bridge. And I've been asked, how well does it take distortion? And I'm going to say, okay. So I've got the katana on the clean channel, but the gain up to about a quarter. And I've got my Boss DS2 on, with the distortion on full. So that's just a rough idea of some terrible playing. It sounds alright. It sounds better with an overdrive pedal though. Well, mind you, just I suppose what you like the sound of.